Our world is full of mysteries, and science is constantly striving to answer the great unknowns of the universe. But even with all of our advancements in technology and space exploration, there's still so much that we don't know about the vast expanse above us. There are many things that NASA doesn't want us to know. In today's video, we will be exploring 10 surprising T-facts about space that NASA isn't telling you. Make sure to watch till the end to find out what secrets the universe is hiding from us. Before we get started, be sure to hit that like button for more videos. Start. No. 1. Your dead skin cells make up the dust of stars. The human body is truly a remarkable creation, and it's made up of a variety of elements and compounds. But did you know that when we die, our bodies actually contribute to the formation of stars? That's right. Our dead skin cells, hair, and other organic matter can become the building blocks of new stars. When we die, our bodies are broken down, and the dust is released into the atmosphere. This dust contains carbon, oxygen, and other elements that are essential for star formation. Over billions of years, this process has recycled the material from dead bodies into new stars. So when you look up at the night sky, remember that you are connected to the stars in more ways than one. Number 2, time travel is possible. One of the most hotly debated topics in the world of space exploration is the possibility of time travel. And while NASA hasn't officially commented on the issue, there are some intriguing theories out there that suggest that time travel may be possible. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is not absolute and can be affected by factors such as gravity and speed. This means that time can pass differently for observers who are in different locations or moving at different speeds. For example, if an astronaut were to travel near the speed of light, they would experience time slowing down compared to someone who is not moving at that speed. This phenomenon, known as time dilation, has been proven by experiments on Earth and is a well-established theory in physics. While this may not seem like much, it is a significant development in the world of theoretical physics. If we can learn how to manipulate time, it could revolutionize our understanding of the universe and allow us to do things that were once thought to be impossible. Who knows? Maybe one day we will be able to travel back in time and change the course of history. Or maybe we will be able to travel to the future and see what is in store for humanity. The possibilities are truly endless. 3. Black holes can create wormholes. Black holes are one of the most fascinating phenomena in the universe. These massive objects have a gravitational pull so strong that not even light can escape their grasp. But what many people don't realize is that black holes can also be portals to other universes. That's right. According to some scientists, black holes can create wormholes, which are essentially tunnels that connect to points in space-time. If you were to fall into a wormhole, you could emerge out in a completely different part of the universe, or even in a different universe altogether. While this may sound like the plot of a sci-fi movie, it is actually a real possibility according to some physicists. They believe that the intense gravity and energy around black holes could create these wormholes, allowing for the possibility of interdimensional travel. However, it is important to note that this is just a theory, and there is no evidence that wormholes actually exist. But hey, who knows? Maybe one day we will discover that black holes are more than just cosmic vacuum cleaners, and they are actually gateways to other universes. Number 4. Alien life may be more common than we think. The search for extraterrestrial life is one of the most exciting areas of space exploration. And while we haven't discovered any aliens yet, there are some surprising T-facts about the universe that suggest that we are not alone. According to NASA, there are billions of planets out there that could support life. In fact, there are more planets in the Milky Way galaxy than stars. This means that there are likely many more planets that could harbor life than we currently know about. Additionally, NASA has detected a number of exoplanets that are in the habitable zone of their star systems, meaning that they could have the right conditions for liquid water to exist. And we all know that life as we know it cannot exist without water. With all of these factors in mind, it is not unreasonable to think that there may be other forms of life out there. And who knows? Maybe one day, we will make contact with an alien species and learn that we are not alone in the universe. No, 5 distant galaxies are moving away from us. The universe is vast and ever-expanding, and one of the most interesting aspects of space exploration is the study of distant galaxies. But did you know that these galaxies are actually moving away from us? That's right. According to NASA, the universe is expanding at an accelerating rate, which means that distant galaxies are drifting away from us at incredible speeds. This discovery was made in the 1990s, when astronomers noticed that the light from distant galaxies was being shifted towards the red end of the spectrum. This phenomenon, known as redshift, indicates that the galaxies were moving away from us. As the universe expands, everything is moving apart from each other. This has led to the theory that the universe is like a giant balloon that is constantly inflating. While this may seem like a simple analogy, it has profound implications for our understanding of the universe. It suggests that the universe will continue to expand indefinitely, which means that eventually, all galaxies will be so far away that they will be impossible to observe. This may sound depressing, but it is actually a testament to the vastness and wonder of the universe. Just think about it. We are living in a tiny little corner of the cosmos, and we are able to observe galaxies that are so far away. It is truly humbling and inspiring at the same time. Number 6. The sun will turn into a red giant. The sun is the center of our solar system and has been providing light and warmth to the Earth for billions of years. But did you know that one day it will turn into a red giant? That's right. According to NASA, the sun will eventually run out of hydrogen fuel, which will cause it to collapse in on itself. This will cause the outer layers of the sun to expand, and it will turn into a red giant that is hundreds of times larger than its current size. The sun's gravity will become so strong that it will consume nearby planets, including Earth, which will make the solar system as we know it cease to exist. Don't worry though, because this won't happen for billions of years. So we have plenty of time to enjoy the sun's warmth and beauty while we can. Number 7. Dark matter is all around us. Dark matter is one of the biggest mysteries of the universe, and scientists are still trying to figure out exactly what it is and how it interacts with the world around us. But what we do know is that it is all around us. According to NASA, dark matter makes up a whopping 80% of the mass in the universe. That means that it is far more abundant than regular matter, which is everything that we can see and interact with. Despite its abundance, dark matter is invisible and has never been observed directly. Scientists can only detect its presence by observing its gravitational effects on other objects. While this may sound like a plot twist from a superhero movie, it is actually a real scientific theory that is supported by a lot of evidence. If you're interested in learning more about dark matter, you can check out NASA's website, where they have a whole section dedicated to this mysterious substance. Number 8. Comets may have brought life to Earth. Comets have been fascinating humans for centuries, and have often been seen as harbingers of doom. But did you know that they may have actually brought life to our planet? According to NASA, comets are made up of ice, dust, and rock, and they travel all over the solar system. Some scientists believe that comets may have played a role in the origin of life on Earth. Here's why. Billions of years ago, Earth was a very different place. It was bombarded with asteroids and other space debris, which created a chaotic and dangerous environment. Comets may have provided a much-needed change in this environment. As they traveled around the solar system, they picked up organic molecules, which are the building blocks of life. These molecules, which include things like amino acids and nucleotides, are the same ones that are found in living things on Earth. When comets crashed into Earth, they delivered these organic molecules to our planet, which could have jump-started the process of life. Of course, this is just a theory, but it is an interesting one nonetheless. If you're a fan of space and science, be sure to follow for more updates. 9. Space can cause hallucinations. Space travel is a truly remarkable feat of human ingenuity and exploration. But did you know that it can also cause hallucinations? That's right. According to NASA, astronauts have reported seeing strange and mysterious things while in space, including bright flashes of light, colorful shapes, and even entire galaxies. These hallucinations are caused by a variety of factors, including the extreme environment of space, isolation, and sleep deprivation. But they are not dangerous and usually go away when the astronaut returns to Earth. So if you ever decide to take a trip into space, be prepared for the unexpected. You may just see something that will blow your mind. Number 10. We are made of stardust. We are often told that we are made up of the same stuff as stars, but what does that really mean? According to NASA, stars are massive balls of hot gas that generate energy through nuclear fusion. When a star dies, it can collapse in on itself, releasing a huge burst of energy. This energy creates a shockwave that blasts the star's outer envelope into space. This material, which includes things like hydrogen, helium, and carbon, eventually forms new stars and planets. So in a way, we are truly children of the stars. The atoms that make up our bodies were forged in the hearts of stars that lived and died long before our own star system formed. This realization is a humbling one and reminds us of our place in the grand scheme of things. We are just a small part of a much larger and more complex universe. But it is also a beautiful thought. We are literally made of the stuff that dreams are made of. So keep looking up at the stars and remember that you are connected to them in ways that you never imagined. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates on all things space. Thanks for watching.